Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to deploy the Active Directory users and computer services. For this, you need to open the Start menu and search for the Server Manager. The Server Manager is the main dashboard where you can install and uninstall services. Before installing the Active Directory services or any services, make sure your local server has a static IP address. For this, first you need to add roles. You can skip this message. Every time you boot the server, this server manager is going to boot up automatically. I'm going to leave it by default. As you can see, the name of the server is NYC DC01, which means my server is located in NYC somewhere, DC domain controller 01. So I'm going to click Net. This will be a role-based server, Net. I'm going to select one of the servers from the pool, which is my default, is this one, Net. And then I'm going to install the Active Directory net domain and services, which is this one. I'm going to select it. And then by default, it's going to include all of these management tools. And then I'm going to click on Net. So here it's asking me some of the features that need to install in order to make this installation successful. So I'm going to click on Net. And then here I can specify if I want to use Active Directory domain services using Azure. Here you can mark these options if you want the server to restart at the end of the installation. I'm gonna say yes. And then you just need to click on install. If you would like to save the configuration settings for the future, you can use this hyperlink here. So it's going to open an XML file that you can save these settings if you want to automate the process of installation in the future. So I'm gonna just save it on the desktop to show you how it looks like. Let me minimize this and this. And this is an example of the XML file. You open this one with Notepad. And this, once the server finishes the installation, is going to reboot automatically.